Have you ever studied for hours but still couldn't remember anything in the exam? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most students make the same mistakes while studying, and today let's fix them together. Mistake number 1. Studying without a plan. We often open our books without knowing what to study or why. That's like starting a journey without a destination. Always make a small plan before you start. Write down what chapters you'll read and how much time you'll spend, because a planned hour is more powerful than 5 unplanned ones. Mistake number 2. Studying for long hours without breaks. You are not a robot. Studying for hours without rest kills focus. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes. Stand up, stretch, drink water. When your mind relaxes, it remembers better. Mistake number 3. Studying with distractions. Your phone buzzes, a message pops up. You say, just 1 minute, but that 1 minute becomes 1 hour. Turn off notifications. Keep your phone away while studying. Your brain can't give 100% when it's divided between your book and your screen. Mistake number 4. Reading without understanding. Many students just read and repeat words, but never try to understand them. Remember, memorizing is temporary, but understanding is permanent. Use examples, visuals, or even explain the topic to yourself like a teacher. If you can explain it simply, you've learned it deeply. Mistake number 5. Studying at the wrong time. Your study time matters. Some students study late at night when they're tired. Others try early morning without enough sleep. Choose your most active time, when your mind is fresh and focused. That's when learning feels easy and enjoyable. We all make mistakes while studying, and that's okay. The key is not to be perfect, but to be aware. When you study with focus, take breaks, remove distractions, and understand what you learn, success becomes not just possible, but inevitable. So next time you sit down to study, don't just open your book, open your mind.